I'm excited that I could walk around this city today. Yes, I told a friend when I came in that I want to do a 10 to 20 minutes walk around the city because this town has entirely changed. Owing to the fact that before now, when you visit this town, when it is raining season, you are scared. You even have to put a rain boot in your car, so that you could switch to it at any time if you need to enter into the market. For as many who grew up in this town, they know what they suffered before this time. So it's quite amazing to know that you can actually just do a walking tour around the city without being scared if the rain is coming or not. Yes, and this is one of the most popular towns as far as Nigeria is concerned, and it contributes significantly to the GDP of the state. So, and this town is considered to be the China of Nigeria. So welcome to the beautiful city of Aba. Today we'll not be doing the conventional drive-through around the city. We'll be doing a walk around an area that is very famous, an environment that so many who grew up in Aba know, just to give you a glimpse as to what is happening around the city. So today we'll be doing a walk around Tenant Road axis, so some of those connecting road within that vicinity. So it's more or less like a market axis where you see bags of rice, you see gallons of groundnut oil, some mini stuff here and there are being sold within this area. So even the adjoining street and all, they are all market and businesses are booming and going on within that vicinity. Before the commencement of this administration, most of these roads around here were terrible. As a matter of fact, you won't even consider bringing your car sometimes, and even walking around here, the bumps here and there is crazy. But moving around today, you can see how neat and clean these roads are, and even the adjoining road, connecting road, everything looks so good that trailers can freely drive in now to offload goods without causing serious gridlock within this axis. It is exciting. For people who didn't grow up in Aba, they might not really understand what I'm talking about. For those who grew up or those who come for trade around here, they understand to a very large extent what I'm talking about. So Aba has significantly changed. For anybody who have experienced the city before now, when they visit again, they will tell you a lot has changed. And you might even miss your way if you don't use some certain landmark to identify where you are going to. You might even miss your way around here. So I'm really, really excited. As a matter of fact, I have a customer here that I'm coming to see. So I had to park far away so I could trek all the way down to see the customer, So parking around here, they have some rules here and there in some specific areas. So in case you are visiting, where you need to park either to the left or to the right, sometimes in certain roads, while some roads they just allow one side parking, some roads allow two side parking. So you need to understand what works, so you don't get head up by the traffic offenders, the traffic controllers rather. So they move around a lot in this axis. So you need to be very, very, very cautious. Even when you go to where they sell their materials and all, you also need to stay cautious to know where to park. So this is just a message to those who are coming to trade within the city. So before we get deep down into some other areas in this particular side, if you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Alin TV. Of course, we are your favorite travel family. Do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly, truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So do what to give us your honest review and thought about Aba. And as for as many who have experienced Aba at the time the roads were really, really bad, do what to share your experience with us in the comment section. Let's know how it was. Tell us, refresh our memory as to how some of these roads used to be, how the gutters used to be very smelly, how the gutters used to be jammed. So share all of those experiences with us, and if you have footage, you can just do a screenshot and share in the comment section. That will actually help us appreciate where we are currently as far as road infrastructure is concerned in the state. So like I said, it's in market, and you can see trade is going on here and there. You can see some trailers offloading, some taking goods. That's just what is going on around there. This is a separate area from the building material. This is a separate area from where you have the clothing line, where you have the tailors and all. This is a different material. This is a different area, from our area entirely. The only fault I have within this axis is the fact that most of the drainage system are not covered. I think it would have made a lot of sense if the drainage system were covered. It would have allowed more legwork and all, so it can serve as a pedestrian to as many who are passing through this area. So I think that is one of the faults I found here. And also I didn't really observe the street lights within here, but in roads like your Kigwe Road in Aba and all, you see a lot of street lights. So here I've not really seen, I'm not really seeing any. So I think those are two things I observe within this axis that I would say is missing. But by and large, the people here are enjoying their trade. It's going on well for them, and they are happy with the fact that people can drive straight to their shop and do an easy shopping. Yeah, so most of the roads in Aba currently are like this. So I just needed to do this walking tour to just show you guys the fact that this is an improvement compared to where we are coming from. So a lot of roads like this have been fixed, and people do a lot of drive into this particular, most of the shops now in Aba. And even our area market currently, for as many who have been following the trend of our videos, you will see that they have been doing, we do a drive-through into Araria Market. You drive into Araria Market, do your parking, do your shopping, and you go. So we have quite a lot of video from Abia State, not just Aba. So you can check our video catalog on Abia to see most of the videos we've done on Abia. So you can just go there, check it out, leave your comment, and tell us the memory you understand, or you remember rather, from those particular areas. So Aba is a very, very nice place. It's business inclined, so I would encourage any who have shopping to do that's looking for some stuffs at a cheaper rate. You can do well to visit, especially for those neighboring cities around Aba. You can visit and just do your shopping around here. Quite a lot of things is currently happening in Aba. So I know a lot of questions in the mind of everybody is regarding the light situation here. So some persons, you ask them, they'll say, yeah, we have the light good amount of hours. Some will say no. So it's still here and there, but by and large, the larger population of Aba is saying the light is a bit stable compared to where they are coming from. It's not yet 24 hours, but at least they have significant hours of light now in Aba. So all of that is a welcome development. So if you have watched till now, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. You can as well follow us on our other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, where we also upload some of the videos we don't really put out on YouTube. So you can also help us grow our family over there. And if you are watching us for the very first time on YouTube, you're welcome to Arlene TV. Please do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. Do well to give us your honest review and thought about Aba in the comment section, and also leave your comment in any of our videos that you watch. We'll see you in our next video.